One of the things I often say is that a product without people is just an object. And so it really is a matter of that craft and that care that makes something exceptional. And we want to find people who value that and want to carry it forward. When we came up with LBE, it was really more of this philosophy more than anything else. It's not tied to a specific product or brand, but how we choose to do things. Not only are we looking at the product and how it's produced, but who are the people producing it? What's the level of craftsmanship? But most importantly, they have the human element down. We look at everything. We take a conscious approach to design, functionality, quality.
No matter what we produce, it's enduring, it's sustainable from a social and environmental standpoint.
The number of things that can go wrong every step of the way. It's almost amazing that so much goes right. That's where the skill and craftsmanship comes in. And that's really where finding the right partners is so critical. When it comes to the shops, we don't want to just push product out there. We want something that we know is going to resonate with their customers and help them be more successful.
Hi.
Hi.
Man, this looks great.
Veronica and John walk in the door and they're like, hi, we have some planters in our car. Do you want to see them? I just felt like an instant connection to them because we're both trying to make it in a big world. I could just see all their hard work, their pride. Sitting here in this space is my dream. Blood, sweat, and tears. Especially being a small family-owned business. Our community means a lot.
I love having this flagship product. It's really transformed our business because we sell a lot of it. It employs lots of people that work here. And I think that we have to start thinking as a community, slowing down the process of trying to get the cheapest thing the fastest. That's one of the ways that we can solve the global race to the bottom.
The people behind everything that we do, we've all grown together.
There are very few companies like theirs putting so much care and attention, and those values are really important to us.
They are above and beyond. They make you want to have a relationship with them merely by the way they run their business and how involved they are.
This journey has not only helped us develop a product and a business, but the relationships that we formed through it has been really, by far, the best part.